guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica. If you guys don't know me, I make beauty videos and vlogs, so if you guys are interested in those, definitely subscribe to my channel down below. Today we're going to be doing cold girl makeup. It's been all over TikTok and Instagram, and it's just such a popular thing right now. I've never tried it before, so I'm going to try it out right now. I have all the products I'm going to use laid out. Clearly this look is very heavy on the blush because when you're cold, your skin starts to look flushed. That is just the whole point of cold girl makeup. Anyways, let's get started on the look. I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my skin. I am going in with the Maybelline 30 Hour foundation, and my shade is Coconut 355. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm just gonna put it on the spots that I usually highlight my face. Okay, so I'm gonna lighten up underneath my eyes just a little bit more with the Maybelline Concealer 30 Hour. And I just like to put a dot, or 2 dots, I should say. A little goes a long way with this. Sometimes I like to put a little more. I'm just kidding. It just depends. Sometimes a little bit works well for me, or sometimes a little more. Okay, so we did that, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my new liquid blush. I've never used liquid blush before, so this is gonna be very interesting. This is by Revolution, and the color is Blush Me Up. So it's like a plum, purplish, reddish plum color. Okay, maybe I should use a little more. Oh my god. Okay. Sometimes I like to add a little blush on my chin area. Okay. I'm not really a fan of liquid blush. Yeah. I'm not really a fan of liquid blush, but I mean, it's okay. Will I continue to use it? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face with some powder. I'm gonna use the Airspun loose powder. I just use the applicator that comes with it. So I just let that sit for a little bit, and now I'm gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna conceal my eyes with the Revolution concealer, just so I can prep it for eyeshadow. We're gonna need a little more blush than that because the blush kind of just went away. So we're gonna go ahead and use the Wet n Wild blush. It's called Color Icon. I'm gonna be so honest, I had this blush for a while, but I never used it. So I came across it the other day and I tried it out, and I actually really liked it. So I just been using this blush. I don't even know if they still sell this blush, but you could probably look for the color. It's called Mellow Wine. So it just kind of looks like this. But let's just see if this color is appropriate for this look. Yeah. I'm gonna use a smaller brush. I accidentally used my brush that I wiped away my powder with. That was supposed to be my blush brush. So we're gonna get heavy with this. So I'm really focusing like like on my inner cheek area for this look. And then I'm also gonna go on top of my nose like that. I'm gonna go in with a different color because this one seems just a little too light. So I just want to go in a little heavier with the Revolution blush palette. I'm going to be taking color number 8 in this palette. Just kind of like put the heavier color like up on my cheekbones. And a little more, put some down here. Just kind of playing around with it. Okay, so I'm gonna use my eyeshadow brush, use a clean brush, and then we're gonna go back in color number 8. And I'm just gonna place some right here above my lip. And then back in with the Wet n Wild color, I'm going to do my eye. And I'm just doing just a little bit, not too much, because you don't want to overdo it with blush. You kind of just want this to look very natural. I still have the blush on my hands, so excuse that. I'm going to go in with my Morphe bronzer palette that I had for a really long time, so I don't even know if they still sell this. They probably do, but I just don't know personally. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe bronzer. And I'm actually going to contour my nose today. It's been a while since I did that, but I'm just going to do it today anyways. So give myself like a little cute button nose. Okay, after I contoured my nose, we're gonna go back in with my contour brush, my angled brush, and we're just gonna contour a little bit, not too much. I'm going to use my Too Faced Sugar Plum Fun palette. I'm gonna use the color Dancing in Their Heads. It's like a shimmery pink, and I'm gonna basically just be putting this on my eyelids. So I've seen some girls who did it like down here, but I don't know if I want to do that. I'm gonna use my contour palette and kind of just use this color in my inner crease. Just a little bit of it, not too much. I'm just gonna push the color out more. You know, there's different ways of doing this, and you know, you could go glam with this look or you could go a little more natural, but I decided to go a little more glam today. And then I'm just gonna add some of like that leftover color in my inner crease. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna work on my brows a little bit. So I'm taking the e.l.f. pencil. I pretty much just fill them in. I don't really do much to them. Okay, so we're done with the eye makeup and we're done with the eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes, but first I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes now. Perfect. So I'm gonna use I went to the beauty supply store and I picked up some lashes for this look. So here they are. It's called Eye Envy. And the lashes, they look really pretty, so I'm gonna try them on today. I'm gonna put on the lashes and I'll be right back. So the lashes are on and I took out my hair clips. and this looks so pretty. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lip gloss. So I have the Fenty Cream, and this color is called Fenty Glow. What if I use a little bit of this blush and put it like in the middle of my lips? Oh no, nothing's happening. What if we add like a little more blush? Just a little bit. Because I feel like, yeah, there we go. Ooh, yeah, I like that. That's cute. I just needed a little bit more, that's all. Alright guys, that is it for today's look. Comment down below if you're gonna try this out, if you like it. And yeah, well, if you guys want more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow all of my socials. They will be linked down below. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.